Dynamics 365 integration with Marketo. Here is the last 2 tips you shouldn't miss. Greetings, I'm Alex, Dynamics 365 developer in UDS. In previous videos, we've discussed Marketo and Dynamics 365 integration options, default connector setup and field management. I will link them in the description below. However, there are a few more things you should consider during the integration process. Here they are: subscription quotas and filtering, deduplication and merge. Let's start from the first one. Your Marketo subscription has quotas on how many persons you can store in your system. To stay below the limits, you may need to set up the filters, so only relevant people will be pushed to Marketo. So one of the most important fields you wish to set up is custom dynamic sync filter. Basically, it's the option field named New Sync to Marketo in your Dynamics 365 for any object, lead, contact, account, opportunity, or other custom entities. Documentation includes detailed instruction on how to set up such filter. I will link it in the description below. Note that New Sync to Marketo will ban record from synchronization only if it equals false. Null values will allow data to pass. Make sure to take that in account while designing your workflow and plugins or preparing existing database. Another point about custom filter field: although Marketo recognizes and saves changes to that field, the system will not take any additional actions regarding the records. In most cases, you would wish to delete out persons that were filtered out in Dynamics. It's easy to achieve via simple Marketo campaign triggered upon Sync to Marketo field value update and flow which will delete the person. We will lose all activities history and campaign membership data for that deleted record. Be sure to store all sensitive information inside Dynamics 365 before deleting. Let's move to the deduplication and merge. Dedupe your system well before you initialize your sync. Make sure you publish and test all necessary duplicate detection rules in Dynamics. Do not forget to match lead to contact and vice versa if you aim to manage both of them in the marketing activities. Marketo is able to merge records for you. You can call that function either from API or via UI. However, remember if that at least one of the merging records are already synced to Dynamics, Marketo merge will not work and the system will insist to merge that records in this area. That's it for now. This is the last video in this cycle. Generally, Marketo integration with Dynamics 365 goes smooth when you can clearly understand what you wish to achieve on every step. For complex cases, you can reach out for professional help. Leave your comment below the video. You can also Skype or email with question about your case. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.